Welcome to Card Making with Donna Lynn. In this video, we'll be making 3 Valentine cards using Creative Memories blank card set, which includes 12 cards, envelopes, and this sturdy box. We'll also use the Sweetheart theme pack. It includes 2 sticker sheets, 4 double-sided designer papers, and 1 sheet of cardstock. Using the 12-inch trimmer with the straight blade, cut 3 backgrounds measuring 5.5 inches by 4.25 inches. Take out the straight blade and replace it with the Victorian blade. Cut 1.5-inch strips from the cardstock. There are many blades to choose from, and I recommend Victorian, scallop, and decal blades for making valentines. Take out the Victorian blade and put in the straight blade. Now cut the strips down to 5.5 inches in length. Now we are ready to make our 3 cards, and I'll be using this card sketch as a guide. For card number 1, use Repositionable tape runner to mount the background and the strip to the front of your card. Sign the back of your card. Stickers are a quick way to make a card. Using the 12-inch border sticker, cut it to size and save the excess by placing it back on your sticker sheet. I like to use foam squares on my stickers and layer them. I'm adding a square that I cut out from the packaging insert of the theme pack. Add a title sticker, and now you can add 3 small embellishments clustered together. And you're done. For card number 2, we'll do a vertical layout. Adhere the background and the cardstock strip to the front of the card. Cut off any excess. Add a border sticker and then cut off the excess. Add a title sticker, and then using foam squares, add a cluster of 3 more stickers. For card number 3, it's the same process. Add a background and strip to the front of your card. Add a 12-inch border sticker and cut off the excess. Remember to save the excess onto your sticker sheet. I'm adding a large sticker with the foam squares. Then add title stickers. And then your cluster of 2 more stickers next to the large sticker. Creative Memories multi-purpose tool is handy for picking up stickers and layering them. Clustering your stickers together looks great, and we are done. Remember to sign the back of your card. We did it. We made 3 cute cards, and we have plenty of supplies left to make 9 more cards for a total of 12. The other cards, you may not want to do a full background. You can always do strips to conserve paper. I love that the card kit comes with a sturdy box to store your cards in until you're ready to send them. For inspiration on simple scrapbooking, card making, and journaling, visit a-story.com.